Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a unicorn horn or topper using just fondant. To start off here, I've got some white fondant. You can use any color fondant you want. I've also got a toothpick, but if you're making a bigger horn, use a skewer. I also have CMC powder. You can get this at any baking store near you. Now to the fondant here, I'm adding a little of CMC powder. And I'm going to mix them together. Make sure you mix them well and work quickly after mixing the CMC as the fondant dries up quickly. After mixing them well, the fondant becomes a little hard. This is what you need to make the unicorn horn. So it's not soft and you can work around with it. I'm now going to divide them into two balls and shape them. I'm taking one ball and I'm rolling it nicely in between my palm. As I'm rolling it, I'm getting a thin tip at the top and a little broader shape at the bottom. Keep rolling it until you get a thin tip and a broader bottom. Repeat the same with the other ball as well. So I've got them both ready now. I'm just going to make sure they're of the same size. Now that they're of the same size, to one part of the fondant, I'm taking a little amount of water with the help of a brush and I'm brushing it on one side of the fondant so that they stick together. Make sure you use very little amount of water. After making sure that they're stuck together well, I'm going to start rolling them. As you can see, I'm starting from the top to get the shape of the horn. And I'm rolling it till the bottom. I'm just pressing down with my palm to make sure they're in place. And give it a small roll one last time. And you can make sure the tip is more sharper if you want. Now to make it stand, I'm taking a toothpick and dipping it in the water and inserting it into the fondant. Make sure you insert half the toothpick inside and leave the other half outside. And after doing that, I'm letting it dry for half an hour. So there you go guys, unicorn, topper or horn using just the fondant. You can use this to decorate your cakes. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.